Welcome back. Today I have a large mystery box from Enailcouture that we're going to be looking in. So let's get unboxing all of this stuff. Let's see, I got this bag of oval 1, 2, 3 go. Let's see, looks like they're shorter. Looks like about a medium. Yeah, so the length is about a medium. So a medium oval length, which is not my preferred length, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and write medium here on this bag. And it looks like I have another one of the same length. Okay, we have some glitters. Looks like it is a regular gold glitter. Super pretty though, but regular gold. I like it. Like it. It's coming up on that time of year, you know. Okay, so this one is another gold. Looks like a more yellow gold, and it's holographic. Wow, really holographic. Like that. Oh, glitter. And oh, okay, we have a rose color, which seems to be also very holographic. Oh, that one kind of spilled a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that up just a second. Don't want glitter on everything. You know how that goes. When somebody has glitter, everybody's got glitter. So wipe that up real quick like. There's a mess. Hold on. Seems that something had a little leak. This little gel right here, it's very yellow, that's for sure. Okay, I don't know if the bottle just wasn't closed all the way or if the seal isn't good. I'm not sure, but kind of stained the bottle a little bit right there. Wow, okay, so watch out for that, because if it's going to stain the bottle, it will definitely stain nails and clothes and things, so be careful of that. Let's look at the color. Precious Minerals 002. Wow, that's very, can y'all see that? No? Okay, here, fix that. There you go. Now you can see the color. It's very yellow, but it is very pretty. It's very glittery. Full of glitters. I'll give you that. So the Precious Minerals 002 was the gel color we got. Wonder Gel, which goes with the 1, 2, 3 go system. So there is that. Has the label on the bottom for Wonder Gel. Pretty little crown on the top. Okay, we have some Happy Gel in Milky Way. Assume this is polygel. Sealed, so it didn't spill, so that's good. Alright, let's see what it looks like. See if it's solid white or shimmery. It is a solid white gel. I'll just stick that back on there and put the lid back on. So we have a solid white poly gel and a souffle cream gel in vanilla. Let's open this, see what this looks like and smells like. And it is also sealed. Sealed packages are always good. So I had to look up exactly what this was, and it is a gel which you can use in the 1, 2, 3 go system. So this will be interesting to test out. So I'll have to do another video on swatches, and you'll have to come back and see when that gets done. Gel polish, no label, but it's got the color white on the top. Yep, white gel polish. Got a lot of white stuff today, so that's okay. White's a base color. So we have an acrylic system is what it says. No color or anything listed. Looks like a purple shimmer, and that is filled with acrylics even on the outside of the lid. It's a little bit messy. I'm just gonna brush all of that off and set that over here. And then we have another one, and I believe that one is a mess on the inside as well. It is. And that is a white, no shimmers. So just a white little acrylic. And what a mess these are. Thank goodness I'm wearing these gloves. And that I have my silicone mat, because that always comes in handy. All right, let's see what we got now is another one. And this is a blue. Also not a shimmer, and also just acrylic and messy. But that's okay, we'll just knock it off here. And these were all in a pack. Excuse me, there were a pack of 4. So we have one more, which is clearly a pink. And it is also not shimmer, but that's a pretty pink, I'll give you that. So got this little 4-piece acrylic system here. And then let me just clean up this mess as well so it doesn't get all over everything. I'm gonna put them in a bag and then clean this up real quick like. Nothing's in the box left, so this package in my hand with these is the last thing in the box. Get this mess out of the way first. Pardon me while I wipe. I love silicone mats for this purpose alone. You can even pour acetone on it. The same thing. A little bit, it's perfect. Okay. I'm just gonna rip this right open because what's the point? I'm not keeping that loud ass package. Precious Minerals 080. I wonder what that July 2017 date is. I'm gonna assume a manufacturing date. Looks like a caramel. Oh, that's a pretty glitter caramel color. That's like a deep caramel. Ooh, we're coming up on fall. You know that color will be helpful. Another July 2017 077. Precious Minerals again. Kind of looks like a purple. Yeah, it is. That's a brilliant purple. I love that. And it's shimmering glittery too. Fall color, baby. All right. 079. Precious Minerals also. We have a May 2017. Oh, wait. This is like a spice color. I have this exact color in a liner that was from Backstage Profiles. Is that who the Backstage Profiles? I don't know. I don't know what this is. What is this? Petite Macaron. I don't know. Wait, is this a magnet? It's not heavy, but is that what this is? You know what? Are these magnetic gels? Let's find out, shall we? That's not enough. There we go. Let's check this out. Oh, it is. It's magnetic. That is not a very strong magnet. It's a magnet, but I'll be using another one. But check that out. Those are magnetic polishes. That's kind of cool. And they're fall colors too. Yeah, totally gonna use those because those are cute colors. I'm just gonna write magnetic on these bottles real quick like. And you don't need to see me write this on all the bottles, so we will fast forward this part and go. Okay, so here is all of the goodies that were inside of the box. We have the magnetic polishes, Wonder Gel, the Precious Minerals Gel, the white gel, the souffle, the glitters, the poly gel, the acrylics, and the 1, 2, 3 Go nails. I'm gonna set this up to where it looks better. I don't like that. I'm not the biggest fan of that, but it will work for the moment. So here's all the stuff that came in the box. Is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know if I'll agree with that. So do I recommend it? It's all right. It's okay. If you like it, it's on. I mean, go for it. I don't know if I'll get another one, but here's all the stuff that's in it. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching.